NCTV45 Newcastle, The Train.
Town and country where there's always a party. Yes, every weekend there's something to do, and there's always great food for you too. Lamb, finger food, steak sandwiches, roasted wings, and much, much more. It's a party and you're invited. Come to Town and Country. Here's a great opportunity from 5 to 7 on the 13th, and that is, Wednesday. The Lawrence County Public Meeting Open House will be at the Confluence. That's 214 East Washington Street, right downtown, again from 5 to 7. It's a chance to go in and listen to some of the things going on and around Lawrence County and keep you up to date on those specific things. Now we're going to take this break and we'll be right back after we hear from these great sponsors.